surgery day. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm talking quiet. I'm in a room by myself, but I don't want to disturb anybody. Surgery went well. I had a bit of a funny turn beforehand. I think it was an anxiety attack. Pain in my chest, profusely sweating, going dizzy. But they're so thorough here. They want to get my cardiologist to have a look at me, but I'm sure I'm fine. It was great. Great. That's the wrong word, really, isn't it? Surgeon was brilliant. My consultant anesthetist is a runner, and so we had a good chat. I woke up in a lot of pain, maybe an 8 out of 10, but they were onto it straight away, giving me painkiller and then more painkiller when it didn't go down, and I've been fine since. I had a hypnosis recording. It's Freddy Jacquin script, but it got me down to a 0, and I've not needed anything since then. And it's now, almost 6 o'clock in the evening. I arrived at the hospital at 6:15 this morning. I feel very rested. I've got my stocking on. What can I tell you? It's about, I guess, being able to trust and feel safe have been the biggest things for me. And I feel both here. And patience. I'm on total bed rest. I'm not being out of the bed. I won't be getting out of the bed till tomorrow. And I'll be taking blood thinners and apparently some constipation medication whilst I'm in here. And so, if you're worrying about surgery, it's absolutely natural to have stress and worry. It wasn't so much the surgery for me. I was more worried about the after effects, but when you're here, it tends to hit home. It's like, this is it now. So just be patient, look after you, listen to your gut feelings, and rest. I'm enjoying. I've not actually read a book. I've done lots of resting, sleeping. I've listened to some hypnosis recordings to help me rest, and we're on the road to recovery. So I just wanted to just check in and just give you, I'd promised a heads up as we go along. I don't really want to tell you. I feel good. I feel in safe hands. It's a beautiful hospital. It's so well equipped because it's only like 6 years old. So I'm very, very fortunate, and hopefully I sleep well tonight, and I'll see how this week goes. I'm in hospital for 5 to 7 days. The whole intention is to get this, make sure this drain's working efficiently and doing its job, draining all the fluid, and looking after me, making sure I don't get any DVTs, blood clots, infection, any nasties. But it's all good so far. So you take care. Bye.